Hello, hi Buffett. I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna be reviewing Genesis. So as you guys can see, Obonk wants to take back everything that has been taken lapana Genesis and bring it back to life. Remember, okay, Gabriel uthathile Buffett artist. He started with Abo Basitana who are in Genesis now, who are signed under Revelation. So these people actually signed there to actually go and sing and make music lapana no Gabriel. So Gabriel has been snatching people from Genesis to his own record label. Waqala ngoBasitana, and then it was Umaruna manje. So Umaruna turned into a Judas and went to Revelation Records simply because Ubonko did not choose her to become his wife. Instead, we choose Oetu. Understand? So bringing Felicia out of retirement was the best strategy they could use in order to bring back the energy lapha Genesis. And it seems as if Genesis have a trust about and the audience trusts Genesis. I just hope ukuthi suggesting kabongo izosebenza egcineni. On the other side, they have faith Olavi Davi Umpumi is having a good time lapha no Gabriel, of which I also said ukuthi personally I think Umpumi is being used, but I'm not the one who writes the script lapha Genesis. But moving on, Bafethu. Gabriel has been raising Umpumi's question regarding Umpumi having to ask Gabriel to marry her, you understand? Because Umpumi really wants a legacy as a revelation. She wants to be the queen of revelation. She wants to also have acknowledgement to Guti. She has something on the other side, not to go to Maruna also has everything to her name, but at the same time, yeah, she has something to hold on to and can be remembered in. So Gabriel it was not that he was mising the question, but it's been hard for Gabriel to just marry omunye umuntu because he believes ukuthi Felicia broke his heart and also broke his trust, not only his heart only but also trust. But Mpumi was a bit more confused and told Gabriel ukuthi she is gonna love Gabriel more than Felicia did. So she promised Gabriel that, you understand. So I'm not sure if Gabriel, but I think Gabriel agreed on some point to it. Okay, Sharpie, in that case, they can get married, you understand? But I just don't think it's gonna work. It's gonna shock a lot of people because I do think Ugusumpumi is rushing things. And she's too deep. Yeah, but she's caught enough feelings for Gabriel. On the other side, they were faced with Gabriel hired ama-journalist ukuthi abhale article, you understand, about the revelation. So apparently, I think there was a plot twist. Those journalists twisted the story Maruna about Maruna speaking positively about Genesis and actually plot twisted the story into negativity. So Maruna came running to Felicia begging ukuthi angabalwisi or yena bangamlwisi in court because she does not have money to actually fight Genesis lapana a court because Ubongo dropped her, you understand? And Felicia did not actually take the request seriously because she was like, she said what she said and she believes the article. So there's nothing that Umaruna can come and ask Felicia after what she has done, after what the journalists actually have done. In fact, Gabriel was the bad guy in this thing because he was the one who actually persuaded the journalists to actually twist the story into negativity. It was Umaruna not to go back to Genesis. Senjalo-ke wafika kumakoti ku-O2 it's just to make Umaruna jealous yabona and took the spot. On the other side yakhala-ke bafethu lapha ne-revelation Basitsana is recording a song yabona. I think it's part of a project of some sort, or maybe it's gonna be another hit single that Revelation is gonna produce. So Gabriel Lafika at best to see what these people are cooking yabona. As you can see, Umsizi is very focused on producing the songs. Ngalena Kumpumi is the ghost songwriter of Ubasetana, so she's enjoying her time like Revelation. But Mpumi is still unhappy to have Maruna part of the Revelation because she believes that Maruna is going to be a home wrecker, should I say, or a person who actually interrupts her relationship with Gabriel. So kuthi kusenjalo wafika kuMaruna lapha e-studio, and obviously things are just tense between the sisters because Mpumi is protecting uGabriel indoda yakhe yabona from Maruna, of which is Maruna phela was the baby mama of Gabriel's child, you understand? So Gabriel got like a notification headline ukuthi Genesis is going to be making a press conference. So he's gonna go there and interrupt the press conference because obviously Gabriel wants a downfall in Genesis. So he was like, he's gonna attend the press conference just to see their downfall. So moving on here, Wendy, I think has opened up a loan shark business. Get January, guys. Get January, guys. Imalaiko and people are actually borrowing money from other people. So I think Wendy is now uvule company kamashonisa. Yabona to have clients and actually like borrow people money and for people to actually bring back the money. I'm not too sure about what Wendy has opened, but it's some policy, I think part of Mashonisa that she has opened up. So Figu Stapia Lapa now. Stapia was someone who actually used to help Wendy get clients for her business. In Jobanji, business Wendy is flourishing. So Stapia was that one person who actually got clients for Wendy. You understand? And Tapia is desperate for money. She went to Wendy's house, she went to Wendy and approached Wendy. I'm trying to tell her at least 2,000, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 2,000. Apparently Tapia guys got into an accident. Kutio Tapia wadla imali ka-Raf. He ate up his road accident fund money when he got his money from that foundation, and he drank up the money, and obviously he was nowhere to be found. His Katibemtingo and the Ostapia was nowhere to be found. But now he is the one who is desperate and believes he can be a good partner in terms of the business, and Wendy doesn't agree with that because Wendy is starting her own business and ufuna ukuthi yena ayidlele eyakhe imali. So apparently Wendy gave Stapia a 200 rand. Wow, that's generosity at least. So Wendy Abafetu, Felicia Amin is receiving warm welcomes and love regarding her getting out of her retirement seat. So Nyabona Bafeti in Kansai are very happy. Yabona, they are at the Genesis Studios, I guess, where they actually rehearse. So Ubongo is happy to get his mother out of the retirement seat. On the other side, he's being a supportive child towards Ubongo and her mom, Yabona. So Felicia is getting there. I understand. I just can't wait to see more regarding her having to record music and how she was as a young superstar, because it's been a minute. I understand that she has been recording songs and she so wished to Umuzi is her late husband. She wishes to witness this moment. She stepped out of her retirement as a legend to come back to the music industry and record some songs. So on the other side, Mama Angmazi, but she's a character that went to Wendy to request for imali. I think 4.5. The other thing, guys, I don't know which business Wendy is running, but I think she opened up a loan shark business. So people are actually coming to pay her, and some people are desperate to come and borrow. I understand. I think this lady or woman came to Wendy to come and borrow imali. I understand. And Wendy did not seem convinced. She's not even concerned about this lady having to come and ask in for money. And she said she can't sacrifice her kids, you understand, that just to give someone 4,500. So apparently, I don't think the lady or the woman that came to ask for money got the money from Wendy, because Wendy was kind of stingy about it. And on the other side, the tension continues between the sisters because of a man. Umpumi is feeling insecure, thinking Maruna is coming to steal her man. Which is not the case. I think because Maruna was just desperate, having to get out of Genesis and find a record label which actually welcomes her. And a Revelation opened their arms for Maruna, because obviously Bafetu Bongo did not choose Maruna as his wife. So we are sure Maruna one person is gonna stay. A Revelation, and Maruna is gonna be the one to actually have a legacy, Gabriel. So one person is gonna go and one person is gonna stay, and that person that is gonna go isn't gonna be Mpumi. That's how confident Mpumi is regarding her stay a Revelation, because he doesn't like the relationship that Maruna and Gabriel have for each other. On the other side, there's a lady called Umasibushi, if we're pronouncing the name correctly. So she's not a regular character like Genesis Bafetu, but somehow she broke into Wendy's house. Let me not say break in, but she got into Wendy's house. Kanjani not size, because as you can see, Lapana Bafetu Wendy surprised after getting groceries. How did this person get in the house? Apparently this Masibushi woman is also a loan shark person, if I'm not mistaken. She also has the business that Wendy just started. You understand? And it's said lapha ukuthi Masibushi utshontshela ama-customer. So Wendy apparently is stealing Masibushi's clients. You understand? Customers, clients, yes, clients. Yabona abazoboleka imali, bazoshiya imali kweletu. Yabona. So this Masibushi woman has declared war against Wendy. You understand? Because my kubega my customer akhe or my clients wakhe, there is gonna be war. You understand? And Wendy, she looked a bit surprised, yabona, and a bit afraid, but at the same time she toughened up and accepted a war, yabona. So there's war declaration between these two women. On the other side, they were afraid to its press conference day lapana HNSC. So Felicia is officially announced out of her retirement, yabona, and the audience knows about a retirement yaga Felicia, that she is stepping back to the industry. You understand? She's about to make waves, she's about to make moves in the gospel industry. You understand? So Kubonko had to go and actually announce that. So apparently bafethu Felicia sizombona eMikini as a regular artist yabona that came back. But I do think it's also a replacement for Maruna, because Maruna left Genesis. So apparently it's gonna be like a replacement for Maruna, because Bashutela is artist, you understand, the Genesis. And Gabriel attended the press conference just as he said he would attend the press conference. And hearing Ugutu Felicia again exposed to Gabriel, saying that Gabriel was that one guy that didn't want Felicia to do the album, you understand? And Gabriel had to hear and see with his own eyes go to Felicia in a press conference. Well, almost he wanted Felicia to do the album, but Felicia's ex-husband, which is Gabriel, did not want Felicia to do the album. So they approached, Gabriel approached Felicia, you understand? So we are sure Gabriel ukuthi that album is gonna be trash. That album won't work out, understand? And he doesn't find the reason why Felicia had to go and rat him out and expose him out like that, you understand? So we are sure Gabriel he doesn't believe in the album, you understand? And he knows with the album won't work out, you understand? Even if Felicia can sell the album for 50 cents in the street, it won't work out. So Felicia also stepped back. The only thing that's actually binding them is Noah, but other than that, there's nothing. Felicia no Gabriel. On the other side, they were to headline Pumile in the Sedibeng family. So Sedibeng family, I heard Felicia is stepping out of her retirement, and DKK just broke the news to Maruna, because Maruna did not seem to know, you understand? On the other side, I'm just not getting it how Mpumi is actually excited and happy with Felicia has stepped out, and Felicia is the perfect replacement for Maruna at Genesis to step in and sing. I understand that Lapana at Genesis, because Mpumi does not want Maruna to interfere in her business, no Gabriel, you understand? So apparently Maruna got the notification along with the family, you understand? Because Mpumushilo ukuthi hayibo Maruna kaphuma endabeni zakhe no Gabriel, akaphuma Revelation, she must resign lapha Revelation, or else yabona kusazofiwa ngempela. So Maruna went on to do what she always does, you understand? She went on to social media because of the pressure that people are actually putting on her. She went on to social media while we live and actually announced ukuthi people must stop comparing Maruna and Felicia, because they're not the same. Maruna is the new generation of Genesis, and Felicia is the old Genesis, and it's the old generation of Genesis. So they must not compare Felicia and Maruna, because she is the face of Genesis, you understand? I think she even called Felicia an old woman, which is kind of disrespectful, and she's putting more fuel into the fire, you understand that? Because she was the one who went to apologize. At the same time, she's the one who's actually biting the hand that fed her. But let me know what you guys think is going to happen next on the next episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.